Welcome to Seward. It's beautiful, beautiful. This is the municipal dump and fill station, and it's really fantastic. That there in the middle is the dump. Way back here is the fill, and we're doing that right now, and then we'll go dump and be on our way to the boondocking space. Can't wait. Mike put on his Alaska boots, which could also be called dump station boots, I guess. Mike is always able to talk to anyone, even at the dump station. We are on Exit Glacier Road, and this is a beautiful boondocking site. We got level without having to do anything. And Mike is working on our awning, because that's what this awning does. And Exit Glacier is back that way. You can't really see it from here, but that is okay. It is absolutely perfect weather. Perfect weather. Hi, are you happy to be home? What a beautiful, beautiful boondocking site. Yeah. It's beautiful mountains that way. Beautiful mountains and Exit Glacier that way. But look at this beautiful site. Oh, we're so lucky. All right, there's our camper over there. I'm just gonna give you a 360 of the amazing views that we have. We're so close to that mountain, I had to tilt back. There's a little fire way down up there. Beautiful mountain with a glacier at the very top there. And there's our camper. This is fabulous. He's so happy. What a good boy. Wally, what you looking at?
This is wherever the end of my leash is, I'm going to be 5 feet past it.
Nope. That smells good. Going to the salmon bake. Got the salmon for the salmon bake. Mike got a halibut and a blueberry soda that keeps moving. And we're sharing a stout because it's good, but I can't drink all one by myself. So there we go. What a beautiful walk. This way, puppy.
Easy.
Far enough. Just want to pull back here.
You know, it's nice.
It is. It's quite nice. It's lovely that way. That's pretty awesome. There's an airplane up there. It is beautiful out here. Oh, so lucky. Beautiful morning walk. So this riverbed area that we are in for boondocking it's all very nice flat rock. I mean, there's bits of places where it kind of goes up and down, but the rock itself is pretty decent, and it has all this nice moss growing in between, and that's really cool. Keeps everything where it's supposed to be. Stay right there.
He says, that's my dinner. Back to Iditarod mile 0. Hey, look, Wally. Can you pull that?
Pull. He says, no, I can't.
No.
But I can sniff it. Stay. That's pretty cool.
I was trying to do the right thing by catching some trash that undoubtedly came from one of the 2 unhinged parties that were here last night. Nah, it really wasn't that bad, but the wind was just blowing it along.
Mike and his favorite bench. It's nice, isn't it? Cool. Natural steps. That's pretty neat. Oh, I love it.
It's better wear hiking boots even if you don't technically need them.
True.
And you don't.
No, but
It helps.
yeah, keeps you a little more steady. Wow. Two-day hike just to get here. Okay, not really. But there is Exit Glacier. Wow. Well, we're not going down there, which is where it's saying. But you can go over there. It's a little windy.
I have a flap.
Your hair's too long. All right, so there's Exit Glacier. We're at the end of the trail, and you can feel a lot. It's a lot cooler and windier, so pretty cool.
End of a trail. You could go on up into the Harding Ice Field,
But we're not going to do that.
Not today.
At least not today.
I don't know for a fact, but I bet you that's a glacier up there. It looks blue.
Yeah, I think that's the one we saw when
Yeah.
we were coming from the other end.
It's Got some depth. Look how far away we are. Sorry, I just like my zoom.
Yeah.
I was just chilling out while we came to the last overlook and looking at all the carvings, because this in 2010 was where the glacier was. Hello.
Hi.
And then right there.
It's like a shoe thing that you use to buy shoes.
And it's so flat.
Yeah.
So smooth. It's just really cool. The power of water, huh?
Yep.
Heather was all interested in the way these rocks are sliced, but then there's just a little plant trying to get a toehold there. We were wondering, yeah, I'm sure the seeds travel here with birds and and wind, but are any of them, frozen in the ice?
Could be. Absolutely could be. Oh. A little ice age. That was that first sign we saw.
So we are camped even farther around, though.
Yeah, we're down here.
Yeah. And it's real wide down there.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely. On our way to kayak in Resurrection Bay. Looking forward to it. In Seward. It's a little overcast today, but that's not a big deal.
I think that's good.
Actually, that probably is good. I think that means it'll be a little bit calmer and less windy. So we're gonna get out there very soon. Look at those beautiful mountains. Can't wait to see them from the water. All right, all checked in, waiting for our driver to take us out to the kicking off point.
But in 1964, there was a massive earthquake in 9.2, so it was right.
Wow, it's beautiful, isn't it? Lowell Point.
Being out here, you're much further away from the city.
Yes.
Okay, ready?
It's a race.
All right, let's do it.
If we get too far, we're going to be floating.
Okay. Okay,
Woo! Don't lean, baby.
I'm not leaning.
Here we go. Cool. Let's go. All right. Out in Resurrection Bay. It's definitely a little more choppy than Valdez was, but it's pretty cool.
Woo, rocking and rolling.
All right, let's do it.
So follow?
Yep. Okay. Hang on.
so the rock itself will, like the bottom of it will be more exposed, but the land will come out and straighter than the rock.
No, but I am gonna video because doggone, this is beautiful. 4 miles across. Lovely.
You have been paddling.
I have been paddling, I know. It doesn't look like it when I stopped to take video, but yeah, and look at this beautifulness.
actually not the last one.
Straight ahead, maybe?
Maybe.
Oh, yeah. Oh. All right. Wow. Oh. Look at that tree. Oh my God, that's so cool. You did say that.
So you pop that part and gel comes out, and then usually people eat the other end.
Are you tired?
Tired? No.
Did you feel great?
Not like Valdez. I was tired after Valdez.
Really?
Yeah.
This was longer and more,
Harder. Yeah, I know.
yeah, much harder.
I know.
Interesting. Because of all the waves, you can even see them behind us.
Your way on over here, my love. You want to try?
I'd like to point out that this was the demo boat, and it was dirty before I got in. Oh, extra hands.
Yeah. Hey, do we have time to take a group photo?
For sure.
Would y'all mind? Would y'all be okay with a group photo?
Can we ask the extra hands?
Yeah. Amelia, you're right. Thank you.
Want it with us?
Of course.
Some background.
Awesome.
Thanks, y'all.
3, 1, 2, 3.
Yay.
And then say best kayaking experience ever.
Ever.
1, 2, 3. Art.
Sometimes you need a burger. Apparently this is a really good food truck, Griddle in Seward.